So the snow sort of caught me by surprise the other day. I don't know why. Like, I was looking at the forecast and I knew it was coming, but for some reason I didn't think of moving my car off the street. So there it sat during the storm, and there it got plowed over, plowed over. Luckily, the snow was not terribly. It was almost like a powder. It was like skiing snow. I've gone skiing only one time. I have no idea what the difference is between skiing snow, snowman snow, and igloo snow. I hear that the Eskimos had 14 different words for snow. So I hear tell. So I apologize. I'm getting around to saying I'm sorry that I was not streaming on Tuesday because I had to take care of shoveling the snow, shoving my car out of the snow that it had been, buried under. Not really buried, but still, I had to take care of that. You gotta do that as soon as you're done with work. Because if you wait too long, it gets dark. So something tells me I'm going to be working from home tomorrow. Because the storm is coming around the bend. I hear that train coming. I hear that train coming around the bend. I don't know the rest of the words. I don't know when. We are inking shadows, spotting blacks.